Hello everyone and welcome to the next video on my YouTube channel. Before I start, I invite you to subscribe, and also if you have any ideas, I will be happy if you write any comments. So today I will be modifying the diesel locomotive from the Slovenian Railways, the number 642199. In my channel you can also see the unboxing and a review video of this locomotive, but today I will be installing the sound decoder. So this is the locomotive, and I will be putting inside the ESU sound decorder LokSound version 5 with 8 pins. So let's start. So first, as you see, there is a number of very sensitive pieces here. There is an antenna here, air horn here, some small pieces here, so we don't want to damage that. So I'm suggesting that you use something soft, so you can put it. And then we have 4 screws which we have to open. So the first one here, I have this. One, second one, and then 2 which are a bit more difficultly accessible in between the wheels. I got the third one here, and there's one more here. So now that we got all the screws out which are holding the top, so we can lift slowly this up. So as you can see, this is already a locomotive which is prepared to be upgraded to the sound decoder. So we have to lift this part up, and we'll just then make a switch with the sound decoder. So you have to be careful that we turn it correctly. So number 1 is here, 8 there, so you have to turn it out like this. We have here already a holder for the microphone, and then we put this decoder in the back. You can close then everything. Okay, it's a bit difficult here. Go nicely. See that it's coming out. So something is not going well here. Check a bit. You see that it's not really closing well, so and you see that this one didn't go in properly. Let's try. It doesn't go very nicely, as you can see. It's not that I quite many wires, and the decoder is always turning around a bit. So okay, so now it worked. So let's what is very nice in this locomotive is that the speaker is just below this part here, which will make it louder. But in this model, the producer also offered the possibility that the covers can be removed and can also be turned around like this. No, wait. Like this. So both can be also covered, so I think this might influence a bit how loud the locomotive is. So before I screw it up, I will... So now that we have the locomotive on the tracks, so let's see how it works. So I'm using a Rocco Fleischmann Z21. We turn on the lights, also if we see the white one coming up. If we change the direction, the two red ones appear here below. We turn it on. Horn and a long one, also sound of a compressor, and coupling. Now let's start to drive. I like when it stops, you also have a nice sound of brakes. And turn it off. So now that we tested the decoders and we see that everything functions, I'm now putting back the screws. So I already put the two here, the third one here, and just the last one in the back, so that the whole locomotive is now fixed. So I can say that I'm very happy with the sound. It's very well done, and the different functions that you have. And it's also very easy to install because the things are already pre-connected for the decoder. So that's it. Thank you.